Welcome to NexTechie X-Force. The Brief. Mapping the weekly pulse of global military innovation. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the new era of mass drone warfare and military AI. You know, the modern battlefield is radically shifting away from expensive, traditional assets, straight toward cheap, mass-produced technologies and really rapid AI integration. First, the Pentagon is making a massive shift toward quantity as a quality. To bypass all that notoriously slow bureaucracy, they're actively ordering 30,000 small, one-way attack drones to equip tactical units right now. The core goal here? To just overwhelm our adversaries with sheer expendable mass. Second, let's look at the wild new economic reality of air defense using lessons from Ukraine. Right now, Ukrainian forces are successfully using highly agile, low-cost interceptor drones, like the $3,000 Sting, to literally shoot down Russian attack drones that cost a whopping $150,000. So when you do the math, sustainable cost per kill is absolutely the new vital metric for defense. Finally, there's a sudden split happening in military AI partnerships. The Pentagon recently partnered up with OpenAI for defense tasks, but get this, they completely blacklisted the developer Anthropic. Anthropic was actually banned because it flat-out refused to remove its strict safety guardrails, which really shows the military's clear preference for tech vendors who are willing to bend to specific national security needs. Ultimately, the future of global security now firmly belongs to whoever can innovate the cheapest, scale the fastest, and adapt AI without hesitation.
This was NexTechie X-Force, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.